I think I may have downplayed this. It's going to be very painful. And it's hot.
It becomes hot after the rubbing.
I mean, even the temperature outside is hot. So how will I withstand all of this at night? Won't I cry?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those that are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going for a consultation, a skin consultation. You guys can see I'm in Lusaka, Zambia, and I'm going to be going to a place called Lukanda, BC, and I'm taking you guys with me. Please come with me and let's see how this is gonna go. I've got 3 weeks here and I hope these dark spots can go in that amount of time. So let's see what they're gonna have prepared for us, and see you soon. Bye. So we're here at this lava problem place trying to get an adapter, and I don't think I'm supposed to record the inside, so I'm gonna stop it now. We're going to the place now. It's so sunny here in Lusaka, guys. Like, I feel it. We're in. Oh, it doesn't? How long is it?
It's like 20 minutes.
Oh, it's only 20 minutes. Okay.
open my eyes. Okay. So hey guys, in case you're wondering what's happening, I'm actually getting a herbal peel just to bring out the fresh skin and get rid of the dead, get rid of my acne scars as well. And I hope this helps my skin get better. I'm going to have glowing skin in like 7 days. I cannot wait to show you the aftermath of all of this. I don't know what she put on, but that's what's going to after cleansing. Guess what? I don't have to wash my face for 3 days after getting this stuff. Yeah, so see you in my next tip. Oh, so it's stinging. It stings so much. That is going to be even more uncomfortable. I'm going to actually like a scrub.
Your hyperpigmentation.
Not even good. So painful, man. Oh wow. Why is it so painful? I didn't know there was like pain. Are you done? You have to continue. Okay. Go on. Wait. Ah, why is it so painful? Can I see your hands? It's like a scrap. And it hurts. Why? Okay. How long are you supposed to do this for? Okay. No, I have to cut that part out.
Just like a mirror.
The what? The top of it. Like why? Why would you just come and make your face hurt? Like who sent you, Mwila? You should have just stayed home. Ah. Oh, that's a lot.
You reached this far.
Others don't try. Ah. It hurts. Especially in those sides. Like, that's where most of the problem is, on my forehead. The sides, like my cheeks here. There. Ah.
You're telling me I should be
Me. Like I feel it. It's like blades. It's like you're cutting. Why? Why? I may have downplayed this. It's going to be very painful. And it's hot. I mean, even the temperature outside is hot, so how will I withstand all of this at night? Won't I cry? Oh no. It's time up. You're not helping. It's time up, right? Oh. So will it feel like it's burning?
Like it will come down by the end of the day. So you just it'll just be uncomfortable to the touch. You touch your skin to be very uncomfortable.
Yeah. It feels like I've hurt myself. I regret doing this in the moment, but I don't know what I'll feel like once I'm done. I'll be like, oh, let's do it again. Or what? How frequent can you do this? Oh, you say you can't speak about it, right? No, you can. I think about that. Like, how many times can you do this?
So it depends on your results. Like if you're dissatisfied with your results, then
But
that's
is it
fine.
advisable to do it back to back?
I think skip like 2 months.
Yeah.
Just for a skin barrier for it to come out.
Yeah. This is tense. Like it's very serious. It seems like it's not when you see videos online. Guys, I'm feeling it. What does it? I can see what it is. Okay. Oh, it's hot. Like I'm literally burning my skin. Why do women, why do we do this? Like a guy will just go wash his face and it's perfect. And then there's me that has to peel my skin like this. Go through all this pain. Ooh. I feel like when I talk, I feel better. I can't keep quiet. If I'm quiet, it hurts. I get to feel the pain and I'm really thinking about my life choices right now, you guys. Let's listen to the music, guys. There's a really nice sound in the back. Please enjoy. And now it's drying up it's pumping. You know how the heart pumps blood? That's how I feel. Like my cheek, this side. How long does it stay on for?
You've got 27 seconds left.
That sound scares me, not today. It's a relief. Sure. Thank you guys. She washed it out, but I still feel it. It's like glass on my skin. I can't even wash my face. I can't touch it. It's painful. Ah. Why do we do this to ourselves? Like it doesn't want water. It doesn't want anything. Bumping That's what's hurting like this. Even putting sunscreen. And I need to put like a lot, right?
Yeah, you put enough. Enough of it.
Tomorrow. Am I not putting today?
No, it's okay.
Oh. Okay.
Rub your lips together.
It's okay. I don't mind. As long as I'll be better in 7 days. Thank you. Are we done? Yay, guys, we're done with our chemical. Look, I have to go home like this. But let's wait and see. Waiting for results, waiting for results, waiting for results. See you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.